Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've received DMs of people asking how is it like living in Vietnam. This is a room tour. Let's go. Okay, this is my room. Spacious, airy, and I didn't really pack my room because I have so little storage space here. This is the toilet. Decent toilet. It's the ventilator. Different about this building is whenever there's smell from other levels, it will just be circulated throughout the whole building. And say someone smokes in the toilet at night or any time of the day, the smell would just seep through this ventilator and into your room. So my whole room sometimes can smell like a cigarette smell. Today night, I think someone was doing like intense laundry. You can smell like the whole room it becomes like a laundry smell. Yeah. Sitting area, not enough tables for me to place my stuff, so it's all very messy. And I like that plugs here. It's like you don't need your travel adapter. Take a look. And there is this table. Yeah. This table is good. You can move it anywhere in the whole room. And drinking water. Yeah, you can't drink Vietnam's tap water, or you can't really boil it to drink. So you really have to buy water from outside. And of course there is a fridge, very useful. Got my mask. Cooking stuff I bought from supermarket. I'm gonna show you the rooftop as well as the common area. So there is this like staircase. It's a very small staircase. These are other people's room. And there's a lift. Yep. I have a lift here. So it's easy to move around, up and down the building. Okay, so this is the rooftop, very huge rooftop for your laundries. And then you can do your cooking here. Sink, microwave, 2 washing machines. The good part about this is you have a lift, but there's no proper fridge here. So you have to bring your stuff from your room to the rooftop to do your cooking. And then yeah, I actually made 3 trips up just to cook my meals because I have so many things to bring. Sauces and pots and pans, and yeah, it's just so tiring. Cooking one simple meal took me 2 hours to wash, clean and cook. And the view here is quite nice, take a look. Yeah, it's very hot in the afternoon here, but now it's evening time. So yeah, these are like new buildings, houses. It's so nice, right? But if you stay here, there isn't really like public transport. There's buses, but the buses takes a long time to travel around Vietnam. So you need to take your motorbikes. This is the other side. Lots of open space. It's a bit blurry. It's not because of my camera, but I think it's the air quality here. So I don't usually come up here because it's quite hot in the afternoon. Even at night, I don't really come up here because you'll be like feeding mosquitoes. So yep. I think it's quite a nice place because I don't really like to stay in like city centers. It's so noisy. But if you stay in city centers, it's good because you get food everywhere. But if you stay in places like this, it's near like residential area, out of town, that's where you might need to plan your meals. Not all the stores open whole day every day. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this short tour of my Vietnam's room. Quite nice. This kind of size in Singapore would cost me 2,000, 2,500 per month just for this size. This place is not perfect because I was changing the bed sheets and then pillowcase. It's not clean. There are stains and molds on it. So yeah. So I just bought like towels to go and protect my head. Yeah, not to sleep directly on it. But overall, it's a very decent place to rest and yeah, get your work done. I like this place. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like and comment on this video. Thank you.